When I was going to bed last night, I don't want to scare the camera people, but I felt a little bit ill. I felt a little bit dry in my throat, and I woke up this morning and I can feel that I'm coming down with something. So just to help build my immune system, I've just taken 10 grams of glutamine. I'll do that again another 3 times during the day, just to really help protect my immune system. Drink plenty of fluid. I'm going to continue eating exactly how I should be eating, starting with my breakfast right now. As you know, when you're training hard and when you're training intense, you're really putting a lot of stress on your immune system. Instead of your body trying to recover from the illness, it's going to kind of put that on hold and try to recover from the workout for a couple of days. So it is honestly better off if you're coming down with something pretty harsh, that you should just take a little bit of time away from the gym, not from your cardio, just from the weights, until you start feeling better, and then you can get back into it. Otherwise you could be dealing with this for like a week or two, and it's really gonna, it's gonna put you back. I guess we'll take it from there, but everything acts as normal. I know you're supposed to have a lot of antioxidants and stuff like that when you're ill, like a lot of fruits, but obviously it's just not part of the diet. There's too many sugars in the fruits for me to have, so we'll just have the glutamine and drink plenty of fluids. The next few weeks are quite hectic with a busy travel schedule. So this week tomorrow, I travel to LA for several days, and from there I'll be back for, I believe, 3 days, and then I fly to New York for 4 days, and then I come back for 3 days, and then I travel to Columbus, Ohio for the Arnold Classic, and that's for, I believe, 5 or 6 days. So I'm going to have to make sure that I'm really prepared with my meals. I will not miss one meal. I've done it a load of times before, and I never miss a meal. I can't remember, it's probably about 3 or 4 years ago I missed a meal. Basically what you're going to have to do is just make sure that you work your environment around your meal times, So most times people will wrap their meal times around their environment, when it should be the other way around. It doesn't matter if you've got meetings, doesn't matter if you're flying, if you're in a taxi, or if you're driving, whatever, you have to eat your meals. There's no ways around it if you want those results in your 12 weeks. So that's exactly what we'll cover. It isn't easy, but getting a physique that you want isn't supposed to be.
Learn how to obliterate your shoulders by altering exercises that you'd never have thought to change.